हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ 7th स्टैंडर्ड ज्योग्राफी का लेसन सॉइल। अब हम देखेंगे उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग टेबल। तो इसमें मैंने क्वेश्चन और आंसर्स दोनों मिक्स करके एक साथ दिया है ये टेबल। देखिए इसमें एक साइड है फैक्टर्स और प्रोसेस और सेकंड साइड है रोल इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल। तो इसमें फर्स्ट दिया है पेरेंट रॉक। पेरेंट रॉक में रोल इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सॉइल में हम लिखेंगे पेरेंट रॉक determines the type of soil with its weathering or leaching. Second, regional climate determines the intensity of leaching of parent rock. Third, organic material maintains the pH value of soil. Fourth, microorganisms helps in decomposition of dead remains of organic materials and so the proportion of humus content in soil. क्वेश्चन सेकेंड में हम देखेंगे टू द वेस्ट ऑफ सह्याद्रीज लेटराइट सॉइल्स आर फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम basalt rock. Answer is the climate to the west of Sahyadris is humid. It rains heavily. Because of heavy rainfall and humidity leads to leaching of basalt rock on large scale. This process gives rise to laterite soils. Thus laterite soils are formed. Second, a humus content in soil increases. Answer, the regular use of organic manures, compost helps in maintaining the pH balance in the soil. A large number of microorganisms exist in the soil with high pH. Microorganism decomposes the dead remains of the plant and animals and other organic materials. The biotic material thus produced is called humus. Third, soil formation process is faster in the equatorial climate. Answer, it rains throughout the year in the region. High temperature and high rainfall are the main features of equatorial climate. In such type of region, the process of soil formation is faster. Fourth, the salinity of soil increases. Answer, due to excessive irrigation, the salinity of the soil increases. Irrigation facilities are utilized for producing greater amount of crops. But excessive irrigation draws the salts from the soil upwards and makes the soil saline and then unproductive. Next, rice is the staple diet of the people from Konkan. Answer, hot and humid climate, high rainfall and alluvial soil from Konkan are favorable for the cultivation of rice. The rice is grown on large scale in Konkan, so it is staple diet of the people from Konkan. Next, soil erosion. Soil erosion occurs due to running water, winds and slopes. Due to heavy rains or running water of rivers, a top layer of soil gets removed. The soil gets eroded due to high velocity and of winds and slopes. Next, soil degradation. For higher agricultural yield, farmers used various types of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, and irrigation techniques. Because of excessive uses of chemical fertilizers, soil degradation occurs. Because of excessive irrigation, the salt from the soil comes upward and makes the soil saline and unproductive. Thus, soil degradation occurs. Next question, give information on the following. First, measures of soil conservation. Answer, following are the measures for soil conservation. First, tree plantation. The plant root hold the soil firm and reduce the erosion of soil. So tree plantation is the best measure. Second, constructing continuous counter trenches. By constructing continuous counter trenches along the slopes, reduce soil erosion. The water arrested in trenches percolates into the ground. Which helps in increasing level of groundwater. Third, watershed development program. The government of Maharashtra has implemented this program under which constructing embankment along slopes in rural areas. Fourth, Jal Yukta Shivar. This scheme is introduced by Maharashtra government. Under it works like construction of farm bunds, arresting waters of small streams, carries on large scale. Second, organic manures. Vermicompost, compost, etc. are the organic manures. A large number of ants, earthworms and many organisms are used as or work as a manure in the soil. This helps in decomposition of dead remains of the plants and animals, from which fertility of soil increases. Next, place where you will get the information about the suitability of soil for a particular crop. Answer: the Department of Agriculture, Government of Maharashtra provide information about the suitability of soil for a particular crop. The type of soil, the fertility of soil, the proportion of humus in soil are tested in soil testing laboratories, and on the basis of analysis of the soil information is given to the farmers. Next, importance of soil for plant growth. Soil plays a very important role for plant growth. Fertile soil is very important as water, sunlight are necessary for the growth of plant. Fertile soil provides a great amount of nutrients to the crops. Therefore, crops and vegetation is abundant in the regions that have fertile soil. In infertile soil, less amount of micronutrients are present. Therefore, vegetation is less. In some places, there are shortage of soil, no vegetation is seen. Next, complete the following table. इसमें action है, effect है and result. All are given in this table. First है construction of embankment. Effect है reduction in erosion of soil due to heavy rains. Result increase in fertility. इधर फर्टिलिटी वर्ड दिख नहीं रहा है तो आप अच्छी तरह से उसे लिख सकते हैं. सेकेंड है प्लांटिंग ट्रीज. इफेक्ट है विंड स्पीड डिक्रीज्ड. रिजल्ट है इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी. थर्ड है फार्म लैंड इज केप्ट फॉलो फॉर सम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इफेक्ट है फर्टिलिटी ऑफ सॉइल गेट मेंटेन. रिजल्ट है इंक्रीज इन फर्टिलिटी. यूज ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक मैन्योर्स. Humus content increased or increase in fertility. Trenches are dug across a slope. इसमें check over the velocity of water running along the slopes and hence reduction in soil erosion, increase in fertility. Sixth है litter is burnt in the farm. इसका इफेक्ट है ash in soil increased, decrease in fertility. Fertility decrease होती है. Use of organic manures proves favorable for microorganisms, increase in fertility. And eighth, excessive irrigation, salt content in soil increases or decrease in fertility. Ninth है chemical fertilizers used excessively, decrease in number of microorganisms and so the proportion of humus in soil or decrease in fertility. So these are the question answers of this lesson. So अगर आपको मेरा पढ़ाना अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें जिससे बहुत सारे बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके.